here. All right, on. Good job. You may not be able to see it, but it's okay. His eyes kind of just drifted. So that's going to be important to look for his eye movements. 60. Yeah. Off. 70 on. Off. Then to repeat here at 80 on. Off. Really loud here. Off. On loud. Off. On. Off. I'm gonna go to the right ear. On. Off. Just gonna go down to 250. On in the right. Off. Back to the left. On. Yeah. Off. Gonna drop. 60 on. Off. 70 on. Off. I'm just gonna give him some silence. 80 on. I think so. His eyes kind of drifted to the left, right? Yeah. Okay, just a little bit of silence. 70 on. His eyebrow kind of changed. 75. Off. Yeah. Yeah. What was that? You heard that? 65 on. He's like looking towards that side. Off. Just gonna wait. 50. 55 on. Off. 60 on. Off. 65 on. Maybe. Off. I'm gonna try 65 again. Just gonna give him a couple seconds to clean it out. Alright, 65 on. Off. His eyes, like, he kind of looks at you. 60. 65. Off. 70. Yeah. His feet, what do they do? Really? Okay. 60. They move up. 40. 45. 50 on. 55. 60 on.